Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new rural bus service that the government is rolling out for school children in rural Jamaica. Now the government plans to start this service in September and they plan to bring in 100 school buses to get it started. A total of 100 buses are being acquired under the first phase of the National Rural School Bus Transportation Program, with the first 60 buses scheduled to arrive by July in time for the new academic year in September. 9 of the buses are reserved for special needs institutions. Minister Vaz assured that schools not covered in the first segment will be prioritized in subsequent phases. The Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Rural Vaz, says that the National Rural Bus Service is a legacy project that seeks to correct long-standing challenges faced by students and families in rural areas. These include high costs and difficulties accessing safe and reliable transportation. We have a responsibility as a government to finally put an end to this unfair and inequitable methodology of transportation for these rural children, he declared. It is unacceptable that in 2025 we still have children traveling in the way that they are. It is counterproductive, it is unsafe, and it is unfair, he noted. These kids need to get to school in an efficient transportation system, one that is orderly, one that can be monitored, and one that is safe, he emphasized. He noted that during the recent commissioning of a unit to launch a school bus system in Portland, he was moved when a Titchfield High School student who had survived a crash that had claimed the lives of 2 other pupils expressed how safe she felt with the new service. When we got to Titchfield, the principal identified her and asked how the ride was. Her response was, "I feel safe." That says it all, he shared. The Portland school bus service will transport children from Buff Bay to Port Antonio. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated. Keep you guys updated on this new rural bus service. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.